My name's Jeff Campbell and I grew up in West Tennessee. Before real estate, I was in the car business as a finance manager for 15 years. So most of my adult life's been in in the car business. Did I enjoy the car business? It was a great business, made a lot of money, but I absolutely had zero life. And that's kind of what made me want to look at a different avenue. I have a young daughter and I'm not getting to spend any time with her. We would work 8 in the morning and sometimes I wouldn't pick her up to 8 or 9 at night. And that was pretty much 6 days a week. So I was looking for something that would give me some freedom to be able to share some time with my family. It was a terrible feeling, knowing that my daughter was, having to be at a daycare from 8 in the morning to maybe 7, 8, 9 at night. It was just, I don't know how to explain it. I knew that that wasn't what I was going to have for her in her life, and I knew I had to make a change, and seeing the Clever Investor opportunity was a great moment for me. Having my daughter to daycare all day, it's just, I don't know, it didn't seem right for her. I mean, it didn't seem fair for her, and it was just a feeling that I know that's not what I wanted for her, and I just knew I had to do something different. And that was really the game changer opportunity that made me make the decision that I wasn't going back to the car business. Well, actually, I was forced into this opportunity. At 8:30 or 9 o'clock one morning, I go into my job, and my general manager comes in, and one of the other sales managers, and told me that they were going to go into a different direction. I'd been in the car business for 15 years. I knew it wasn't a problem, but at that moment, I thought, this is the time that I've got to make a change. And it actually was like a fresh change and much needed, and it was really welcoming because I probably would have never done it myself because I was making a couple $100,000 a year and I was comfortable with the income, and so probably wouldn't have done it on my own if I wasn't forced. Since the change from being in the car business to going to Clever Investor, I mean, it's been a complete game changer. The quality of life is phenomenal. I mean, knowing that that I'm self-employed, I know that I still have to get the work done, but I can do it on my schedule and not on someone else's. And so I'm very results driven, and I know that I still have to work, but I'm not tied to a car dealership from 8 in the morning to 9 o'clock, or every Saturday night, or some Sundays, or every holiday. So now I'm going to get to spend time with my daughter at night, on the holidays, on weekends, and have a good life. And that's what I was searching for. It's been a lot to learn, but it's been phenomenal. It's been very fast-paced, and which is what I like, being in the car business. It's just been great, man. The quality of life, the support I get, the groups at Clever, being able to communicate with everybody else on the same journey as me, and the support. It's been phenomenal. And I know I'm in the right place. I know I made the right decision going with Cody, and I wouldn't take anything back. I'd do it again if I had the same opportunity tomorrow. I made the change officially November 3rd when I got my LLC and joined the program, and started November of 2018. I had a lot of deals under contract. Being in sales, I thought I knew a lot, but it's completely different, and I've been very open-minded. And the first couple months was kind of slow, but this third month I've got 3 deals that have been through the title company I've been paid on, and I've got probably 3 more within the next week that's going to close. And once you get that first deal through the title company, man, the feeling that you get knowing that you can do it, knowing the hard work's paid off, and it's just, man, it's hard to explain, but it's a complete life changer, and I'm really excited about my life right now. I'm just excited. First, really excited about the money and the opportunities to create wealth and to create a legacy for my daughter and our family. And I'm excited about the time that I'm gonna get. I mean, I've been 15 years in the car business, missing every holiday, missing, you know, trips on vacations in the summer with my family. I'm looking forward to doing that, and I'm excited. I don't want to live in regret, but knowing what I know now and knowing that I spent 15 years doing that and what else is out there and the ability to make a great living and to be able to spend time with your family and not, you know, have a life. It's awesome to make a lot of money, but if you have no time to enjoy it, what good does it do? And if you're not spending a lot of time with your family, I don't know. Family's very important to me, and this is just, it's been phenomenal to have the extra time to know that I'm gonna be able to make just a good, probably better living than I did before and have a quality of life. It's just a great feeling to know that that's about to happen. It means everything knowing that I'm gonna get to spend time with my daughter now and not miss those days. You know, the last thing I wanted when my daughter was 18 to say, hey, my dad made a ton of money, but I don't know my dad. And now that I know that I'm gonna get to spend the time with her, and it's just, I would never even consider going back to that kind of career. Now that I know this, have the support, and everything that I need to be successful, it's definitely the way that I'd want to go, and kind of regret that I didn't look into that opportunity way, way sooner. Well, I just know that a lot of wealth is created in real estate, and I wanted the opportunity to continue to make really good money and have the freedom that everybody was talking about with real estate, and that the freedom is what brought me to real estate. Just, I know there's proven, there's, you know, you can look and research and see how much wealth has been created by real estate. I mean, it's proven. I mean, it's easy to find out that a lot of wealth is created in real estate. And once I did the research, I felt confident that I was going in the right direction with real estate. You're going away from the security, so I've been in the car business for 15 years, and I'd had other people contacting me wanting me to go to work, so I had that pulling me in that direction. But I knew I wasn't happy, and so that's what made me want to make the change to get into real estate, to be an investor and to be successful. Yeah, I wanted the one-on-one support, being able to, I guess, you know, anybody that wants to be an investor, there's a million videos, there's a million people out there telling you they know the right way, you need to go with me. And I did look into a couple people, but I just didn't get the support that I was getting from Clever Investor. And that's what I wanted. I knew that I was gonna take this opportunity. I wanted to do it the right way the first time, and I was determined I was going to be successful. So I wanted to make the best match for me, and the research that I did on all the companies doing the same thing that Cody was definitely the best fit for me. I could just tell that Cody was right for me for the support, the community, the success stories, the testimonials. It was just proven that if you would put in the effort and you would do the work, that you'll get the results. And that's what I wanted. I knew that this wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and so that's what really made me go this way. I realize it's a humongous decision and it's a hard decision, but for me, I just think that you need to just do it and make the leap. And then with the support that Cody and his phenomenal staff's going to give you, it's going to be the right decision. If you're willing to put in the work, nothing's going to be given to you, But if you go out there and work hard, you've got the community, you've got the support, you've got everything you need to be successful. I've just experienced a lot of great things with Clever Investor, and I'm really happy that I've done it, and I know that I've made the right decision. I would tell them that if they were in the same situation that I was in, that they need to get with the Clever Investor Group, and they need to go ahead and make the decision, and they need to take action. And you know, everybody fears failure, but just keep moving forward, keep working, and you'll see the results. I found Clever by Facebook. Cody has a strong presence on social media, and saw it there, watched one of his videos, and I really instantly could tell a difference between the support that his group's willing to give than some of the others. A lot of the others were more hands-on, and I knew that there was going to be a lot involved in investing, and when I had a question, I wanted to be able to call somebody and get some support instead of trying to go to YouTube and look up a video and try to figure it out that way. So it's much easier just making a phone call, letting them tell you what you need to do, and taking action and getting it done. And so that was best for me. My experience at Clever Lab's been phenomenal. It's very upbeat, at high intensity and phenomenal training. They're gonna, they give you all the tools, information that you need to be successful, and they're right there to assist you along the way. So there's many times since I've been in the lab that I'm sitting there, don't know what to do, but I've got 3 people around me that I can ask, what's the next step? They're right there to get me in the right direction, and I'm along the way moving forward again. Absolutely, yeah. Being able to have the support is definitely expediting. And one of the things that was fearful is watching all these YouTube videos and all these other companies doing investing was you'd hear some people say, well, I did one deal in 6 months or 2, and I knew that that wasn't what I wanted to do, and I wanted the support to expedite it, and it's coming along great. Some of the breakthroughs, a lot of it is they help me with knowing how to expedite my business, what tools I need, what's the best, and they give you all the tools and everything you need, how to use the tools, just how to become more efficient and speed up the process and get the learning process much quicker. Just doing some of my first deals and getting it done and getting the momentum and consistently learning and making steps, knowing that the problem that I didn't know how to handle 2 weeks ago, now I know how to handle it. So next time when I go, I'm going to be way more efficient. I'm not going to have to call Clever. So that's what's really been humongous is, because when you're new at anything, you're going to have questions. And a lot of times I see a lot of people just when they get stuck, don't know what to do, they kind of quit. Now with us having the support, we can make the call, keep going, keep the process flowing, and the deals come way sooner. You're around some of the most successful people in the investing business. So the knowledge you learn in just 2 days, it's mind-blowing. So it's phenomenal. And I'm very excited, and I know excitement creates sales. And man, when you leave here, you're going to be jacked up and you're ready to go.